Welcome to our channel. Netgear RAX40 AX4 Wi-Fi 6 Router, AX3000. Unbox, plug it in. Power brick in the wall, cable into the router. Lights start blinking, means it is starting and you should wait a few seconds. Modem off, then on. If you're using it with a cable modem, unplug the modem for like 30 seconds. Plug it back in. Routers are picky, they don't grab the IP unless the modem reboots. WAN cable in the yellow port. The cable from your modem goes in the yellow Internet WAN port. Other ports are for wired devices later. Connect to the default Wi-Fi. Look at the sticker on the back of the router. It'll have a network name like Netgear XX and a password. That's your starting point. Connect with your phone or laptop. Go to routerlogin.net. Once you're on that Wi-Fi, open a browser and type in routerlogin.net. If that doesn't work, try 192.168.1.1. Should take you to the setup wizard. Change the admin password. It'll ask you to set a new login for the router. Do it. Write it down somewhere because if you forget, you'll be resetting the whole thing later. Set your Wi-Fi name and password. Here's where you ditch the ugly default. Make a proper SSID, network name, and password. I usually keep 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz separate so I can tell which one I'm on, but you can combine them if you want. Let it update firmware. If it asks, it'll probably prompt for a firmware update. Do it now. Takes a few minutes, but it's worth it. Fixes half the weird bugs. Reconnect to your new Wi-Fi. After the update, your device will drop off the Wi-Fi because the name, password change. Just reconnect with the new details you set. Log back in and tweak extras. Once you're on, go back into routerlogin.net. You can turn off things you don't need, like remote management, set up guest Wi-Fi, or adjust parental controls. But honestly, if you just want internet, you're done. Thank you for watching.